playing today. Pretty blustery in Colorado, so our fort. Got me and my daughter playing. This fort is amazing. Okay, open up.
Hey, you guys. So, yeah, like my dad was saying, this is a wonderful fort. It might be small, but it's wonderful. Isn't it, Dad?
It's pretty cool.
Ah,
All right, so here we are in our fort. Go show us the loft. Yeah. Pretty cool. Anyhow.
And you can also hear a kitten in it. Yep.
Oh, anyhow, this thing's a kind of a Paul Elkins inspired, the coroplast material. You can see on our coroplast, it doesn't hold up nearly as well in Colorado, where the sunlight's a lot more intense than it does in the Pacific Northwest, where Paul is. He's had his hold up for 5-6 years, and still, this year's lasted. This is the second season. We put it the roof on initially, and it busted out with hail, and then replaced it twice, and now this is the third roofing, and you can see that the it's not all the way through. It's in the second barrier. This is all intact still on the inside, but not on the outside. So where it gets compromised, it gets a little dust and mud and stuff in there after the moisture. So
you can kind of hear him a little. He's sleeping. It's a really cool fort, even if it's not that fun on the inside, but when it's a nice day, you can actually do a lot of stuff in here.
So here it is blowing, I don't know, gusting over 60 for sure. It's pretty bad, but we're in the fort. The rounded roof, it doesn't want to blow away or anything. It plays havoc on the rest of the building. This thing holds pretty true. It's 4x8 on the surface area and 4 foot tall with the domed roof. And as you can tell, it's pretty quiet when you get down here. Just one way. I sleep with my head under here because that way when I wake up in the morning, the sunlight will make this very bright in here. So it makes it pretty nice.
Actually, the sunlight's very warm in here. When I sleep up there.
Yeah, very warm.
Yeah, it helps me sleep in the morning.
So anyhow, here we are enjoying our day. So it's blowing as hard as it is. We've been out here. We played Old Maid. We played Go Fish. We had lunch. We've got the kitten in here.
How do you do that? We've been explaining how much there is in this fort to see, but that's probably not all of it. Is it, Dad?
Probably not.
So, guess we'll show you.
So we started putting this thing together the summer of 2018, and Paul Elkins had some really neat projects he did with all coroplast. We chose to have a 4x8 bottom with some OSB that was given to us, and we made the ends and made the sides with this regular siding, and this thing has held up extremely well. It's almost like a little micro home. We've slept in it in the wintertime during storms and blizzards, and it goes instantly in the back of a full-size pickup truck. You can throw all your hunting gear in it and take it to the back country, throw it on the ground. It's instant camp. And we've even had house guests that have stayed in it, as opposed to staying in the house or in the bunkhouse that we've built or in a trailer. They've chose to stay in this.
So this fort may be small, but there's a lot to see in this fort.
Actually, I think it's pretty big. It's 4x8 on the floor space, so that's not huge, but it's as big as most tents. But because it's got the solid walls, you can lean against them and stuff. And You could put this in the back of a truck, and it's an instant camp when you put someplace. You don't have to worry about getting wet or anything like that. It's pretty solid. And you could throw, if you're out hunting or whatnot, you can throw your guns and all your hunting equipment in the back of it, in the back of the truck. Off you go. So I think the dang thing works extremely well, thanks to Paul for all his do-it-yourself projects.
Yep. A little small, but huge, too. Kind of. Go, go.
Okay, we're gonna brave the wind. Ready?
Get on.
Ready?
Stop it.